Hey GVT, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a shout out to you again, all of you who stayed with me. These 2 last weeks have been hard. My sadness comes in waves. But it was a good cremation. I'm gonna be silent now so you can hear the birds. Sorry for my shakiness, people. The birds are busy making a nest. And sometimes you can hear the horses. Okay people, I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will pick it all up. The fashion videos, the meditation videos, and the sky checks and the full moons, and maybe the sunrise if I can. Again, a shout out to you all, the ones who stayed with me. I do appreciate that so much, and thank you for all your kind words and all the sweet things you said to me. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you at the next video. Bye guys. Mariah signing off. See ya.